In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Warmup for your domain on Instantly.ai. So to do that, first head over to the website, which is Instantly.ai. From in there, you can actually start for free in order to create an account, or if you already have one, just proceed to click on this login option. So since I already have an account, let me just proceed to log in into my account right there. Now here is my account and here is the organization that I currently have. To set up the domain warm up on Instantly AI, just go over to the email accounts, which is this icon. And then from in there, just head over and then add in here a new email account for you. Click on this add new. You can choose the pre-warm accounts, connect existing one or done for you email setup, wherein you can just choose the domain account names and automatically connect it. Or in my case, let's choose in here this pre-warm. Search in here for the free warm options that you can actually have. You can choose in here and search. For example, search in here for Tiara. You can see if there's similar domains, but if it's not, you can actually just choose from the ones on this list. For example, let's choose in here this calmfocus.co. You can see in here the actual price for that particular domain. In order to set it up, click on this next option. And as you can see, you can input right here your forwarding domain that you wish to use. So for this case, you can see that this one, as an example, we have the provider, the domain that we have, and the price for each of them. So these are just pre-warm accounts. So for this case, you can head over and click on this place order option, and then the subscription will renew every 15th of each month. So once you have bought it, you can actually just set it up altogether using the on-screen instructions. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.